In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily create the 3-tier balloon bouquet. So since I am prepping this helium balloon a day before the event, I am going ahead and treating it with high float to extend the float time. Once you have inflated your 11-inch or 16-inch latex balloon, go ahead and grab your desired curling ribbon, and then you're going to tie it all at one time. To save time, go ahead and wrap your curling ribbon around the nozzle and tie it as I'm demonstrating here. I'm going to show it to you once again. Wrap it around your nozzle, and then go ahead and wrap the nozzle around your 2 fingers and tie it. So all that's done in one application, as opposed to tying the balloon and then going back and tying the ribbon later. Okay, so here, let me show it to you one more time with a different view. Now that's been done, gather your 3 desired balloons, gather all 3 of them tightly in your fist. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and take your 3 helium balloons. It's going to be a 3-tier balloon bouquet. And I'm going to start with my top balloon. Okay, in this case it's going to be white. I'm going to move that, pull that up in my hand. Then I'll take the next color, which will kiss right underneath that first balloon. It should just kiss. And then take your 3rd balloon, and that should kiss the 2nd balloon. And then you have your 3-tier balloons. Then grab underneath the nozzle of the last balloon. If this is going to be for the table, then I go ahead and I pull it and I measure to my shoulder and I tie it here, and then I tie it to my weight. If it's going to be for the floor, then I'll do it to the other shoulder, and then I'll tie it here and tie it to my weight. And that's how you go ahead and do your 3-tier helium balloon bouquet. So I'll tie it here, and then I'll go ahead and tie this into the weight right at that point, and then my table centerpiece will be ready. To the weight, you will notice that there is a tab there. You simply go ahead and weave your ribbon through that little hole. Now it is time to prepare for transport. Pull all the strings down and use a clip or a piece of curling ribbon or a scrap of a 260 and tie it so that when you place them in the bags, they will not tangle. You will see here that I have 4 balloon bouquets in one bag. If you will be preparing these on the very same day that you'll be delivering them, you need to use the high float bags because there will be holes that will allow for ventilation, which will allow them to dry properly. I prepared mine the day before, allowed them to dry so I can place them in my regular bags. Simply open the bag and let them lift themselves, and you will see that not one of them have tangled. Now you will see that I will take the little 260 scrap and untie that so that the balloons will release as into the 3-tier. Again, you can use a scrap 260, a clip, or a curling ribbon to tie that down during transport. And now you just go ahead and place your centerpieces onto the table. It really is easy as 1, 2, 3. And this added a lot of color to the space. A 100th birthday celebration. What a milestone. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Happy ballooning.